Welcome to my channel. This video is the continuation of the previous video. In the previous video, I explained about the topic transformation of function. In that, I explained about the horizontal translation. In this video, I just gonna explain about the vertical translation. What is called horizontal translation? You can shift the point or unit in a horizontal way. Or the same as the vertical, same as in the vertical translation. That means we can shift the points or units in a vertical direction. Here there is a definition of vertical translation. First one is, if k greater than 0, then the graph of y equals f of x plus k is a translation of k units upward of a graph of y equal to f of x. If the given graph is y equal to f of x, we obtain to draw the graph y equals f of x plus k. We shift the points in an upward direction. Okay, if it's a negative, that means y equal to f of x minus k, we shift the points in a downward direction. I hope you understand this. The same procedure as in a horizontal translation. I hope you understand about the vertical translation. Just move to the another topic, that is reflection. What is reflection? We everyone know what the reflection, that means the mirror image, right? Okay, in this graph, if the given graph is y equal to f of x, we need to obtain the graph that is y equal to minus f of x. We draw the reflection of the given graph. Okay, if the negative value is here, we just draw the reflection of the given graph. If the graph they obtain to draw the graph that is y equal to f of minus x, we just draw the reflection of the y graph. There is one condition: the reflection must be in the x-axis. Okay, first if y equal to minus f of x, the reflection in the x-axis. Okay, if y equal to f of minus x, the reflection is only in the y-axis. I hope you understand this. Let's see one example. This is the given graph, that is f of x equals x cube. This is the given graph. We obtain to draw the graph of g of x equal to minus x cube. There is no domain, there is no values, right? There is no point. We know that this is a reflection of this graph, right? Because it has a negative value. So negative sign is here. Okay, so we can draw the graph in a reflection of this graph. Okay, this is called this is g of x. This is f of x. I hope you understand about reflection. Let's move to the another topic, that is stretching and stringing. That means I explained in the previous video the types of transformation, that is translation, reflection and dilation, right? In the dilation, it comes under the stretching and stringing. It's nothing but if the value there is a graph y equal to a of f of x, the value of a is greater than 1, we need to stretch the graph. If the value is less than 1, we need to string the graph. Let's see one example related to the stretching and stringing. This is a given graph, that is f of x equal to x square. We need to find the graph of g of x and h of x. What is the value of g of x here? This is 2x square, right? Just find the value of a equal to, what means a x square, a into x, f of x, right? Here f of x is x square. The value of a is equal to 2. If the value of a is greater than 1, we need to stretch the graph, right? We need to stretch the graph. That means that the graph must be here. Stretch the graph. We need to stretch the graph. It must be here. This is g of x. Then let's see the h of x. H of x means 1 by 2 x square. It's a less than 1, right? We need to string the graph. It comes here. That means h of x. H of x equals 1 by 2 x square. This is g of x. Okay, this is nothing but if the value of a is less than 1, we need to string the graph. If the value of a is greater than 1, we need to stretch the graph. Stretch means it's away from the x-axis. Okay, away from the x-axis. If the value is less than 1, it's away from the y-axis. The graph must be away from the y-axis. Just imagine like this. Then it's become very easy to understand that about the stretching and stringing. I hope you all understand this. Okay, just it's very simple. In the next video, I explain about the multiple transformation. I just solved the multiple transformations of the graphs. I hope you all are understand this topic very well. Thank you.